Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to get infinity in infinite alchemy. First of all, in this primary step, we add earth. Then add wind with earth, it will become dust. Then, add fire to dust, and it will become sand. Add fire with sand, and it will become glass. Then, take the glass to the other side. First, we will add wind. Then add fire with wind, and it will become smoke. Add more with glass, and it will become mirror. Add this to the other side. Then, add earth with earth, and it will become mountain. Add mountain with mirror, and it will become echo. Take echo to the side. Then, add earth to the other side. Add water with earth, and it will become plant. Add plant with plant, and it will become tree. Add tree with tree, and it will become forest. Add forest with forest, and it will become jungle. Send jungle to the other side. Add tree first. Then fire, it will become ash. Add fire, and it will become a phoenix. Take a few of these and adjust these creations. Then, add dust to the other side. Add water with dust, and it will become mud. Add mud with phoenix, and it will become bird. Add bird with jungle, and it will become parrot. Add parrot with echo, and it will become repeat. Add repeat with repeat, and it will become low. Add low with loop, and it will become infinity. Now, you can see infinity has been created in infinite alchemy. That's the way to create infinity in infinite alchemy. If you want more videos like these, comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.